Guys, Pixel 10 just hit the shelves. It has magnetic charging, just like an iPhone, a brand new Tensor G5 chip, and even the base model comes with 5x zoom. But here's the real question. After a week in people's hands, is this finally the Pixel that competes with iPhone and Samsung? Or is it just hype with magnets? Let's find out.
All right, so what is it? Well, here's the lineup this year. The regular Pixel 10, the 10 Pro, and the 10 Pro XL, and the 10 Pro Fold. The big headline is the Qi2 wireless charging with Pixel Snap magnets. If you ever used old wireless chargers, you know the pain. Right, Rudeboi? You set your phone down, wake up, and realize it didn't even charge because it wasn't lined up right. With the Qi2, magnets pull it into place automatically, so no more guessing. Then you've got the Tensor G5 chip. Compared to last year's Pixel 9 with the G4, the CPU is about 34% faster. So everyday stuff, scrolling, opening up apps, switching tasks feels a lot smoother. And the AI processor is 60% stronger. So features like live translation or AI photo editing work quicker and it doesn't lag. And the chip is built on a new 3 nanometer process by TSMC. Translation, less heat, better battery life, and fewer slowdowns over time. And cameras? The base Pixel 10 now has a triple camera setup with a 5x telephoto zoom that used to be reserved only for the Pro phones. So for the first time, the cheaper model gets some real flagship zoom power. Prices start at $799 US, and the phones have been out since August 28th, so check them out.
All right, guys, so how does it work? Here's how it plays out in real life. Qi2 charging. The magnets mean no more playing. Line up the coil. You just drop it, it locks, and it charges. All Pixel 10s do at least 15 watts, which is faster and more consistent than older Pixels. The Pro and XL can go up to 25 watts with certain stands. Google's own Pixel Snap charger and stand are out right now, but reviews say the stand runs hot and it feels overpriced at $70. The good news? Qi2 is a universal standard, so third-party MagSafe style chargers and accessories will work too. For the Tensor G5, compared to last year, it's night and day. Pixels used to lag or heat up under stress. This one runs cooler and holds performance way longer. Against Samsung Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the CPU gap has shrunk. It's not top dog, but it's close enough, and most people won't notice unless they're hardcore gamers. Against Apple's A17 Pro, iPhones are still faster on paper, but Pixel's AI tricks are real time, and the zoom stabilizations on the Apples are way better. And because it's more efficient, you actually get better battery life. Reviewers say the Pro XL comfortably lasts all day, even a day and a half, and that's amazing.
Let's talk a little bit about the camera and AI highlights. Now, about the cameras, the base Pixel 10 getting a 5x telephoto is a huge upgrade. With Google's super res zoom, you could push it up to 20x no problem, and it still gets sharp shots. That's the kind of reach Apple saves for, and its most expensive Pro Max model, right? Thermals are also improved. The Pixel 9 could get warm shooting video. Pixel 10 stays a lot cooler, so recording longer clips doesn't slow it down a bit. As far as the AI tools that are actually useful this year, Best Take, which basically swaps out a blink for a better face. Add Me, make sure nobody gets cut out of a group shot, right? Camera Coach literally gives you tips in the viewfinder. And Magic Q, smart suggestions that pop out during calls and in apps. Reviewers are saying these aren't just gimmicks. They're things you'll actually use every single day.
All right, so what's Rudeboi's take? I mean, yeah, if you wireless charge, Qi2 is a game changer. But if you're a heavy gamer, Snapdragon still wins. So if you want max power, go Pro or XL. That's my opinion. If you want the best deal, the base Pixel, number 10, is the one to go with. It just depends on what you care about. Is it gaming, is it AI, or is it value?
So what's Bruce's take? Well, for me, the Qi2 is the everyday upgrade. You'll notice every time you charge your phone, and it's great. Tensor G5 is finally a Google chip that feels fast and efficient compared to last year's model. And the sleeper hit is the base Pixel 10. I think for $799, a phone that has legit 5x telephoto capabilities is kind of ridiculous and an amazing value. So check those out.
I just want to know, what about you? Does Qi2 and Tensor G5 make the Pixel 10 good enough to switch? Or are you sticking with the iPhone or Galaxy like everyone else? Drop your thoughts and comments below. I really want to see, and we really want to see, where people land on this one. And if this breakdown saved you some serious time, smash that like button, subscribe, and stick around. We've got plenty more deep dives coming right up.